In today's video, we will cover 5 essential Excel shortcuts that will help you work faster and more efficiently. First, to format a number as a date in Excel, first select the column. Then, to quickly apply a date format, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus hash. This will automatically format the selected cell as a date in the default date format. Next, for currency format, select the column, press Ctrl plus Shift plus $sign to instantly apply the currency format. Next, to apply the number format, select the column and press Ctrl plus Shift plus exclamation mark. This will format the number with 2 decimal places and commas as thousands separators. Next, for percentage format, select the column and press Ctrl plus Shift plus %sign. This will convert the number into a percentage. And the last shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus @, which applies the time format to the selected column, displaying it in the AM and PM format. These 5 Excel shortcuts will definitely help you work faster and more efficiently. The practice file link is available in the description. If this video is helpful to you, please like and follow for daily tips and tricks.